Hi everyone, welcome to sketching. Just another quick sketch today. Hope you're having a great day, great weekend. So today all I'm doing is I decided to draw this chair. I was inspired by actually watching Peaky Blinders. I don't know if any of you have watched Peaky Blinders. It's a like a gangster type drama set in Birmingham, but they have these amazing chairs, like these old school 1900 chairs, and I just got inspired by it and I thought, you know what, I'm going to do a quick sketch of a chair. So today all I did was I used a 2B pencil in Procreate to do this entire sketch. I thought, you know what, I'm not going to paint it, I just want to do a classic old school cross-hatching sketch on this one, because this is what I usually do in my traditional art. It's where I have the most fun. I love cross-hatching, I love graphite work, so I thought let's really test this out. So it took me around probably about 2 hours to complete this one. And I was quite pleased with the overall effect and look. And again, because we're using digital, it's just so easy to kind of like, correct your errors or, change your decisions while you're drawing. Whereas with using traditional art, you've got to kind of really plan your drawing out. But with this, you just go ahead, pick up the Apple Pencil and just start sketching. So it was a good one, this. But hopefully I've been working on quite a lot of content over the last couple of days. And I've decided that the 30-day sketch challenge that I've done, and I hope you've been trying that out. If you haven't, please start today and go check out my videos. I've decided to put the 30-day sketch challenge in a published book, which I'm going to publish hopefully in the next couple of weeks. And I'll keep you posted on that. And so what that will basically be is all the 30 sketches that I've done. I've kind of laid it out in a book, in an actual physical book, where I've given the photograph on the left hand side and my painting on the right hand side, and just a couple of tips on what to do and how I've done it. And I'm going to make this into a Get Back Into Art series, where I'm going to kind of do 3 published books, and I'm going to follow them up or do them side by side with my YouTube videos, so that you've got a digital reference and you've got a physical reference as well. So I'm quite excited about that one. So again, just on this drawing here, I've just used the tilt function on the Apple Pencil to do a lot of the shading on top of the cross-hatching, and I really enjoy doing this one because you can really go in with a lot of detail very quickly. I mean, 2 hours is nothing really, spending 2 hours on one piece. I mean, I could have really carried on and on this one, but I thought I better stop. I really, really enjoy doing this one. I'd give this one a go if you've got Procreate and the Apple Pencil. And even if you haven't, I'd give this one a go anyway, even if you're just using traditional art. It's a really good kind of drawing to do. Or just have a look at, a chair in your house or wherever you are and just give it a go. But it's really good. And I think the effect of the 30-day challenge has been really positive on myself, because I am sketching every day, and hopefully I'm just getting the material all ready for my first tutorial on getting back into art. So do look out for that. So thank you so much for your time, your help and your support. Please give the video a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to the channel for more content, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. So take care of yourself and peace.